Spray Engineering Devices is a technological powerhouse that provides unparalleled solutions in sectors such as sugar, jaggery, industrial wastewater and biofuel sectors, with an unwavering dedication to sustainability and energy efficiency. Spray Engineering's exclusive MVR-based low-temperature evaporation technology is powering the new age Jaggery production system at the farm level with 100% bagasse saving and 100% water generation with zero carbon emission. After extraction of carbon from biomass, the nutrients can be recycled back to the farms. Spray Engineering's unique Jaggery production technology is providing a wide range of benefits to diverse stakeholders and new growth avenues.
I come from the farmer's family. I am a farmer by heart even as on today. My dream was to come back to my hometown and to work for the society and farmers at large. Then I decided to put up a automatic computerized Jaggery plant because the Jaggery quality being served to the public at large is not good because of the masalas and chemicals. I thought of making a Jaggery plant wherein Mr. Vivek Verma, MD of Spray Engineering Devices, helped me to do this plant.
For us in this project this was to be demonstrated that no burning takes place while production of the Jaggery is happening. And the technology behind this is heat pumping technology, mechanical vapor recompression technology, late evaporation technology, and very high extraction of the sugarcane juice in the small mills, which are actually working almost as efficiently as a large sugar factory mills.
The technology being used is giving us 2-3% extra recovery in terms of sugar or good. Our electrical consumption in comparison of other small or big units is very low, that is around 35 units per ton of cane. This is the first factory in the state which has got the NOC from the Pollution Control Board.
What happens in the traditional factories, steam is used for the juice heating. While in this plant, the hot condensate which is coming from the process is used for almost 90% of the juice heating. Only for the balanced 10% heating, we have a heat pump which is upgrading the heat and bringing juice to the clarification temperature.
It is environment friendly technology, no pollution, no water pollution, no air pollution. The water we get in the form of condensate is a distilled water which is useful for the sugarcane farming or other demands of the farmer.
We are growing sugarcane in the most energy efficient and organic methodology and bringing sugarcane with least amount of transportation cost to the factory.
We have used the solar technology also in this plant, being green plant, and we have successfully commissioned the plant.
Core of this project is to demonstrate very sustainable sugarcane agriculture as well as very energy efficient processing of the sugarcane without creating any environmental issues. The project does not have any boiler at all. So this makes the entire biomass available for the alternate use, which is replacing oil and gas in many applications.
At Spray Engineering Devices, we are dedicated to developing sustainable innovations that deliver lasting benefits for individuals, businesses, and the environment.